So dia punya isofix dekat sini lah bang. If nak bahasa Inggeris ke bahasa Melayu ni? I try lah bahasa Inggeris If you want to click the isofix, alright, right now it's a red, turn red, right? So if you want to click, you have to make sure this into the green color, alright? You click. So left and right pun also same lah. Lepas tu tegakkan. Okay. And then this is, we call this support leg. So support leg, mostly our seat belt, we have 3-point harness. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So also the Carseat lah, same. We have 2 isofix and we have 1 support leg here to protect the baby and the Carseat also. Alright. So we have to put the support leg here until this one turn into green color. Okay. So you have to set up lah ke depan sikit, macam tu. Alright. Before this, kalau dia ke belakang kan, dia tak ada colour langsung, tak ada merah kan. So you set up, pergi kat depan, like that. Okay. So okay. To 360, you have 2 buttons. This side, okay, and this side. So you can choose. Yes, okay. And if you want to recline the seat for a good position, this button. So like that. And for baby newborn, you have to turn at the back lah, rear facing lah. Yes, rear facing until 2 years. Or you can see here. You can see here. It's a 15 month plus. Okay, 15 month plus. You can choose either you want to rear facing or forward facing. If let's say you punya destiny tu dekat, you boleh forward facing lah. But if let's say jauh kan, for baby to sleep, you can rear facing lah. Okay. But if baby below than 15 months, okay, you have just to rear facing. If you want to forward facing, the seat will lock. Okay. Cannot. Alright. So usually mostly Carseat we have the side impact lah, side impact protection. So side impact protection, if you want to use it, you have to open it manually. But this Carseat, suppose it auto. Okay, contoh example, you put the baby here and you click the buckle, right? And then you just push the buckle. Automatic. Alright. Okay, if you want to use the harness, you just, okay, like this. Here you have a button. But if you want to lose the harness, you don't have to press the button and block the this one. This, kalau if you block, you tak boleh nak tarik. Okay, you kena lepas lah. Just turn the button and you tarik dari bawah like this. Okay, if you want to tie this one, tarik. Yes, okay. Alright. Okay, we are done. Lagi satu. Sekejap. Baby kan dia ada height dia kan. So once baby dah naik tinggi, alright, harness ni kalau you nak ubah, sini button ni, you can up. Yes, make it longer lah. So this harness, okay, if baby rear facing, you have to make it paras bahu, same level on your shoulder or 1 inches below your shoulder. This for rear facing. But if baby forward facing, you have to wait. Okay. You have to make it same level on your shoulder. Same level. Just for rear facing only 1 inches below the shoulder. Okay? Alright. So that's it lah. Siap. Cepat je. If you want to open, okay, contoh sebab I tak ajar. Okay. You have to close the lock leg first. Okay, lock leg, you can see this have 2 buttons. Left and right, you can press and wait I masuk. Okay, like that. Just for isofix adjust, alright? You have to make it forward facing, so it's easier for you to uninstall lah. Okay, like this. Okay, you just pull and press the button, go back. Alright. So this one, you have a black button and green button. You push the black button first and then green, like this. Like that. If you want to click, you just click with the isofix lah, and it turns to green, like that. Alright. So if you want to make it complete, then press this button, pull. Yes, push. Just push. And then you can test lah. No need to move more than 1 inches lah. Okay.
So if that one is down there, dia tak licin lah.
Yes, this one dia tak licin sebab it's come with the car, right? Yeah. This one is the add-on accessories, right? So like that lah. Okay, alright. And also here lah, if you want to add on any carpet ke, right? You cannot because it's yes. Alright.
That one we cannot use the back part.
Okay.
The back part sampai. If not, we can make a small hole gap.
Yes, that's one good, will be good. Okay. Okay, welcome. Okay, welcome.